Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand weekly contest question 356, in which we are going to understand the first two questions, right? 2798, the number of employees who met the target. So it was very easy question. That's why I have not uploaded the video at that time at the contest, right? And another question, I was also stuck there for some time. So let's connect now, and we are going to see these two questions now. Okay. So the first question we have 2798, number of employees who met the target. So the question that we have is n employees we have in the company, which is numbered from 0 to n-1 employees, right? So employee I has worked some hours, right? So that is defined at that index. So in the hour in the company. Okay, so it is saying that a company requires each employee to work for at least given target, right? And target hours. So you have given index of integers, right, in hours and target, right? So each employee have to fulfill their target as a 2. So as you can see in the explanation, so employee 0 is not going to complete the target, and 1 is also not going to complete, but the rest of the 3 2 3 and 4 is going to complete the target hours because it is more than the target, right? So the simple things what we have to do, we will loop on this one and we'll check which employee has more than this target, right, or equal to the target. So those that we are going to count how many, right, and that will give the answer. So we'll take initials as a count, and for index I equal to 0 to the I less than hours length, right? So all employees at what hours at I. Okay, so what he has worked during that hours, right? If it is greater than equal to the target, means that has achieved their goal, target goal, right? That he has met the number of employees had met the target, you can say. And so that we will each time increase the target, okay, count, and we will return that count. So number of employees who has achieved or met the target, we will return as a number of employees. Okay, so this is very easy question, right? And that's why you can give little thought process. What are the time complexity and space complexity? Please ping me in the comment box, so it will also help me that you are watching carefully. Let's continue for the other question. So next question we have 2791, that is a discount complete sub array. So I'll create this video in another part of this video. So in the same playlist you can watch 2799.